Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So we're getting into a new project here. This one's going to be going over a few months span here. I don't plan to be rushing ahead with this. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking all of these screwdrivers and putting a new, nicer looking handle on them. We're going to be doing all different styles for each different type. So we got Robertson, Phillips, Torx, flathead. We got all these little mini drivers. We got our hex ones. Basically everything. And so each specific type of driver is going to have its own kind of handles. We're just basically going to be trying a whole bunch of different stuff to see what I like in the future. Because this is a very, very cheap set of screwdrivers. Now, if you buy this set at regular price from Canadian Tire, it costs 90 bucks, which is a complete ripoff. But I was able to get it on sale for 24 bucks, which was a pretty good deal and one that I could not pass up very easily. So I figured now is as good a time as any to jump into doing this project. So I'm making this kind of quick explanation video because I don't want to have to explain this every single time I do another one of these sets of handles. So basically all we're going to be doing is taking one of these screwdrivers, hacking off the handle, redoing a nicer handle out of any combination of wood, and just trying to make them look a little bit better. Because right now they look very generic, they look like a very cheap set of screwdrivers, which is not what I want them to look like. And like with most of my projects, the biggest thing to understand here is that this is just another learning opportunity. I don't plan for this to be my forever set of screwdrivers. They're going to look beautiful, they're going to probably take days of my life to complete, but they're just something that I want to experiment with. They are a chrome vanadium screwdriver, which is kind of your middle of the range screwdrivers. You can also go up to like actual tool steel screwdrivers, which someday I might end up doing and re-upgrading the whole set, making a whole like matching set or something like that. But for now, these are just going to be a fun little side project to work on. Get to do some lathe work, get to work with some metal, all that kind of stuff. And I don't want to spoil too much there because I actually have some pretty cool ideas to do with certain of these screwdrivers and that. So I don't know how often I'm going to be putting out these videos. I already have the first one completed, so that one will be going up sometime soon. But my goal is only to do like one set a week or one set every couple weeks. It's not something that I want to rush. It's just something I want to take my time with and really just have fun with the different designs and the styles of the screwdrivers and that. I'm not really desperate to have a set of screwdrivers in the shop. I already have a set of screwdrivers. This is just meant to be something, a fun little side project. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.